delikado ito. Dagat yung pupunta sa atin. Yun nga, minuto lang. Naririnig ko na dito sa kusina namin, pumapasok na yung malakas na tubig.
Kita ko kasi, tapos within seconds lang, tumaas siya. Tapos nung paliig na, sabi ko sa kanila, eto na. Sabi ko, hanggang dito na lang tayo.
What's frustrating is that the number of casualties that was not revealed, that the exact number of casualties was not revealed. We believe that it's 10,000 more.
Yeah, more than 10,000.
More than 10,000.